Let's try this thermostatically controlled power outlet. This is Thermo Cube model TC3. This is not controlled by software or phone apps. This is controlled just by the temperature. So this says it turns on at 35 degrees F or 2 degrees C, and it turns off at 45 degrees F or 7 degrees C. There's something important here. Maximum rating 1800 watts, 15 amps, 120 volts AC, to be used with GFCI outlets. The outside temperature is 1 degree C. Inside temperature is 19 degrees C. So this has been sitting here for a while. Let's see if this works. So there's power, and it is connected to this space heater. If it is cold enough, it should turn on. It does. Not sure if you can see the light here. So now it is turned off. See, now it is turned on. So this low temperature activated Thermo Cube outlet does work. This is a pretty simple fail-safe approach to activate something like a heater to avoid everything getting frozen, especially during winter. This has been sitting inside for a few minutes now, maybe little less than 5 minutes. Inside is warm, so let's see if it has worked here. Well, not really. Let's try again after about 20 minutes, keeping this Thermo Cube inside. Hopefully it is not connecting anymore. There you go. It's not working.